Happy Window Wednesday, Jeff Kouns here, and this week we're taking a look at seal failure. Before I go into exactly what seal failure is, I would like to talk about the production of how your window units are actually made. During the process of making our custom Unishield windows, we actually empty out the air from your insulated glass units with a vacuum, via vacuum suction, and we immediately fill up your insulated glass units with energy efficient argon or krypton gas. The seal is what protects the barrier of your insulated glass unit, keeping the energy efficient gas inside. However, if that seal within your insulated glass unit breaks, once that happens, your energy efficient gas leaks, allowing moisture and condensation inside your glass unit. Seal failure is when you have any moisture or condensation inside the panes of glass that you cannot wipe down. What that really means at the end of the day is all of your energy efficient inert gas has leaked out, allowing that much more transference of energy, cold or hot, winter or summer. What we use with our exclusive Unishield windows would be our SuperSpacer technology. Our SuperSpacer seals our Unishield windows, and we actually can guarantee 125-year warranty with no seal failure at all. The main reason why is our SuperSpacer technology has no metal or aluminum in it whatsoever. It is a structural foam that is Mylar backed, inspired by NASA. If you take a microscope to our SuperSpacer technology, you'll actually see millions of air pockets throughout our entire ceiling of our entire window glass unit. Air, unlike metal and aluminum, is a great insulator and not a great conductor. With our SuperSpacer technology, sealing your insulated glass unit, we can actually guarantee for 125 years, no seal failure. Our SuperSpacer technology is made to expand and contract with your home settling, but also the climate that we face. Give us a call, go online, and sign up now for your free, no obligation estimate. During the month of June, we're doing buy one, get one free on top of 12 months, no interest, no payment financing. We'd love to see how we can help. Give us a call and have a great day.